I can taste the sugar. I'm sweating. No cheese.
You ready? You want to close it up?
Sure.
One. What's up? Oh.
Did you just really say what's up?
What's up, guys? It's the Cobb crew, and you know what we do.
It's Amaya. It's Joshua.
It's Alyssa.
It's Jeff.
And Jennifer.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, guys? It's the Cobb crew. You know what we do, and today we're going to be doing
The Blindfolded Korean Corn Dog
Mukbang. And so, guys, this is what it looks like, and we made these from scratch.
Yeah.
And the sauces we have a spicy mayo sauce
And some, can't reach it, but we got ketchup. Show them.
and ketchup.
And guys, today we are going to be doing this blindfolded, like with the blindfolded mukbang, and we're going to eat everything. Oh, for drinks today I got orange juice.
I got Kool-Aid.
And I got Fanta. We all got
So
different.
we're gonna say our blessing and then we're gonna eat.
Is this the regular kitty kiss?
This is my favorite.
God our Father, once again, thank you for our blessing, amen, amen, amen.
Amen.
So let's get on to the video. Oh,
Now I'm scared. Wait, how many did you ask for? 3, right?
I asked for 3.
3? I might have a 2.
2, and Mama has the extra.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start eating.
How do we?
Blindfolded.
Alice, I can't see.
That's
I
the
can
point.
see, I can.
You can?
Yeah, it's not working. Okay, I fixed it. Where's that sauce at? Why is it so white? Why am I closing my eyes?
Who's already eating?
Well, not waiting for us either. Does the cheese spread, Josh?
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I think I touched yours.
Okay,
It's
guys,
hard.
I want ketchup.
What is this?
I think this is ketchup, right?
I did this.
Y'all better be kidding me. Okay, it's ketchup. Mine doesn't spread. Mine doesn't spread, you guys.
Mine does. That's good.
Okay. Where's the ketchup? Some ketchup.
This is pretty hard to do.
I'm just weird. Mine does spread, but not a lot. I can taste the sugar. I'm sweating. No cheese. Dude, my eyes hurt. Ew. Now you guys, I'm gonna try spicy mayo dip. This is, oops, I was about to spill the spicy mayo. Where's my drink at? Is this mine?
Wait.
This is ketchup.
This
Where's
is
mine?
Yeah.
You know.
Because I have mine right here.
Yeah, these cream corn are delicious.
Yeah. Where's the spicy mayo?
Ah. How many cream corn
I'm
dogs are
done.
left? Alice, how many cream corn dogs are left?
I don't know if I see.
Count.
Oh, no, I'm not counting. I'm gonna get my last one.
Cheese.
Oh, I just dipped my hand in this. I don't know where the sticks are at. Oh, here it goes. Where's the sauce?
All my cheese fell, you guys. See?
Who put the sauce right there?
I don't know.
Who put the spicy mayo?
I got one more. I need to drink my orange juice. Got some orange juice on. Where's the tag? Wait, where's the tag? So I can show you. Is this the tag, you guys? Okay. No, this is the tag, you guys. Look at the tag. Orange juice. I think that's the tag. Time for my next cream corn dog.
No, so I got. Ow!
Move to Alice. Do I have a plate?
Huh? There's so much sugar.
That's the point. I got all this on my finger. What in the world? My stick came out my corn dog. Wait, what? Oh, right here. Just a hole. Hot dog. Oops. I'm going to have to beep out something. Well, not beep out, just the. Oh! I don't know what I'm doing over here, you guys.
This is my last bite.
We need to take out the blindfold. I think. So you guys, I got poked. These cream corn dogs are so
I got poked too.
my eyes.
I'm done, guys.
You can take off your blindfold.
Oh. Okay.
My other thing. That's not my fault. Oh well.
That was good. I'm gonna take off my blindfold.
I already done.
Yep. Oh Lord.
I did not ask for 3. I asked for 2. My mom made an extra. I don't wanna.
Oh, that light is bright.
Sprite.
That bright.
Can I take a bite?
Are you done eating?
No.
Then no. Mom, you should have saw one of those cheese pulls I did. Did this come on?
Can you get both my teaspoons, put them together? Cause I don't know what mine are.
Your what?
My cheese pulls.
You have to do it yourself.
I can't see.
I know, exactly.
That's why it's called a blindfolded mukbang.
Is it good, Maya?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. Oh. Okay, you guys. So look. Okay, you guys. So like, Mom. I'm almost finished with this. Somebody was knocking on the door. I'm almost finished with this. Alright, I'm done. Good job.
This is the last one.
Nope, I still got one more. Okay, I'm finished. What a mess!
You're not going in the play, baby. You're not doing that.
Are you done eating?
Yeah.
No,
that's my eyes hurt.
You ready? You want to close it out?
Yeah, sure.
One. What's up? Oh.
Did you just really say what's up?
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. We would like to give a shout out to... Thank you so much. We love you guys so much. Make sure you go like,
comment,
And subscribe.
and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post a new video. Ding!
and make sure you comment down below what other challenges or mukbangs we should do. And we'll see you guys. Or pranks. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you when I see you. Hey!